I want to chat about cats.
Huh?
Cats show up in town, then I get beaten up by cats, and now everybody wants me paws up because I found a cat collar.
So you looked in the box, huh? How unfortunate. Now hand it over.
Carface wasn't messing around.
Wise up, Carface. You don't think I'd bring it here with me?
Hi, Charlie. Do you like my number?
Hey, beat it, doll.
Make me, Mutsy.
See you around, Carface.
Charlie, I can help you. But we gotta talk in private. I'll meet you behind the restaurant.
Here I was, surrounded by danger, and yet waiting for a dame who tells me she has all the answers. The look in her eye told me she did. I felt invincible.
Hey, tough guy. I've got the collar now. Thought you might like going for a ride. Oh, whoa. See ya, sucker!
This was it. I was going on the big fetch, but at least I could go with some dignity.
I'm gonna die! I don't like this!
Oh, yo! Don't worry, boss. I'll save you. I'm here.
Itchy! Hey!
Oh,
Itchy! Get your tail down here and save me!
Charlie! Get it, give it. Oh!
Huh? Ooh, woof. There were no explosives on that carriage.
Yeah, I know, but it looks good on screen. Come on, Itchy, we've got bad guys to find, and I think I know where.
Johnny said the collar came from Leash Land, and something told me he was right.
Oh, this tag isn't opening the door. I'll bet Charlie Barkin did this to me. Oh, ow.
You'd win that bet, killer.